Welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going to give you a quick tour of my room here in Cancun, Mexico. I'm here to celebrate my birthday. I'm not going to do anything special. I just wanted some time alone, away from everything, the hustle and bustle. You know, in Canada, I just wanted a little private moment to just chillax. So I'm here in my room and I'm going to give you a quick tour before I mess it up. So this is the entrance. Just as you enter, there's a little vault looking area here that you press and you open it. This is where you collect room service if you don't want to be disturbed. Or if you have towels or rags, anything you want to change, you just put them here. So nobody have to come and open the main door. So that's that. I think it's pretty cute. Right next to it is this switch. Now there are different buttons that operate the lighting system in here. I'll show you this after, because if I show you now, then you're going to see the rest of the room. So let's go over to the bathroom. To my right is the bathroom, and I go straight by the sink. It's a double sink, as you can see. All the amenities are here. I have my towel, my blow dryer under there, more towel and scale that I will not be using. I don't need to know my weight. I'm on vacation. And there are three storage here. Don't think I'm using them either. So that's that. Here you have your little knickknacks. And then it's a double mirror. So there's one here and one over here. I think he told me that I use these switches to control it. Do I remember? Let's see. I think this one. No. Wait. No. I don't remember. But this, I like this mirror. It has the time. So it's after 12. Yeah, I was right. After 12. I don't remember how to turn on this light. Right here is my toilet room, right next to the sink. Of course, you have the makeup mirror with the little light if I want to do my makeup, which I rarely do. So this is my toilet room. I think this light turns it on. This switch turns on this light. It's not very bright, that's fine. Maybe I don't know how to use it. It's a floating toilet. And it has two flushing system. I guess this one is the heavier one. And that's it. I like that the toilet room is separate. I feel like there is another switch because why it's so dull? I'm not sure. So this is the toilet room. I like the frosted glass, even though I'm here alone, so it doesn't matter. So remember, I enter and this is the sink area. To my right is the toilet room, but to my left is the shower. And what I love about this hotel room and why I booked it is because the shower is literally in the room. I'll show you that later. So I love rain shower, and it's a double rain shower, as you can see, and everything is operated here. I use this button to operate it, and if I don't want to use the rain shower, then I use that. But of course I'm going to use the rain shower. I like that I can sit here, and it's super big, like 3 of us can fit in here. With the shower, this controls this switch controls the look. I can get some privacy if I don't want anyone to see me when I'm showering, if someone else was here. And the other switch here brings it back up. I like that. Amazing. Love my room. My bag is here for now, my suitcase. Right here is a switch. It was dark. As I come in front of it, it comes on, and this is the system that operates the air conditioner, the air conditioning. As you can see, the fan for my room and room service. So if I don't want to be disturbed, I just select this button and it becomes red and no one will enter my room. But instead leave my food here if I order room service. Here is a full mirror. I can see myself. And then this is my bedroom. Love the bed. And you notice the lighting system? It changes from this switch, which is wow. So this turns off everything in the room. And when I press the wow, I can change the color in the bed. Over the bed head, blue. Like it. See the color changing? Fabulous. Turn back all the lights on in here again. If you notice, the shower is like in the middle, so I can be showering and I'm looking out at the ocean. So this is the bedroom. Love this hanging light. Right next to the bed, I have this reading light that I'm not sure I'm gonna use. And more operating system there. It's a cordless phone. And this thing here is the closet. So to this side, there's nothing in here, so I will hang my clothes here. And then next to it, I have a steamer. So he showed me I can put whatever I need to steam here, plug it in over there, and that's it. And there's more storage down here. The next side of the closet, more storage and more storage, and of course this safe with instructions. Extra blanket and pillow if I need it. Don't think I will. Then here's my desk. It's really huge with drawers as well. And more mirror. My TV that I can operate from my phone directly. Here is the fridge. And it's fully stocked and it comes with a room. I don't drink soda, so those are gonna stay. I'll drink the water and the juice maybe. But they stock it every day. They restock it every day. Right next to this is this little coffee area. In here, all the little condiments and things that I need for it. Like it. And then I have this little table I can use to eat. My bed is a king size bed as well, and it feels so comfortable. I like it. Then another reading light over here. All you have to do is pull it away from the wall and it turns on. And more operating system. I can charge my phone and laptop here. Now this is what I use to order room service, check the menu, or anything like that. And of course I have a nice little seating area over here. I can sit and just relax and enjoy the view. It is so beautiful. So beautiful and relaxing. And then you open the door and I'm outside and look at my view. I have a little seating area here again. And this is the view outside. Like I have the ocean. It's so beautiful. Even over moment I open the door, the AC turn off. So again, this is the room. So this is it. Let me know if you love this room. It is super big. So let me know what you guys think about this room. I'm in love with it. I wish I could stay here like 2 weeks. I can't afford that, but it's beautiful, beautiful. I'm in love with the mood board for the bed. I can imagine at night how beautiful it will look. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I have everything here controls all the switch. I forgot to tell you guys I have a Bluetooth. Did I tell you? I think I did. But this controls my Bluetooth. So I just use the phone and select, let's say I just want to listen to some worship songs. I just connect my phone to this and it plays throughout the room. Love it. So this is my place that I'll be staying for my birthday. I hope you enjoyed this little room tour. Drop a comment in the chat. Let me know if you like this room, what you think, any questions you'd like to ask. I'll answer. So feel free to drop your comments if you want to ask me anything about the hotel I'm staying here and how I book my vacation to come here. I'll answer. Let me know if you like this room, and don't forget to like, share, and do subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content that I've been putting out. I'll definitely be making some content while I'm here, so you guys will see what I am up to here in Cancun, Mexico. See you guys in my next video. Bye.